morning student. Today we are going to learn the last part of our lesson, a true story of sea turtle. Before this period, we learned that the writer Bhau Katdare and his volunteers launched a campaign at Velas, and by launching a campaign, they got success by saving the eggs of turtles. Then they forward their project, and within 5 years the entire coastline of Maharashtra they surveyed. They protected more than 80 villages, and then they started to encourage the people, to encourage the native people by starting a project Turtle Friends Award, means Kasa Mitra. They engaged the people of the native village in this concept, and in year 2006 they started their novel concept Turtle Festival or Kaso Mahotsav. It was a great opportunity for the tourists to spectacle, to witness the unique spectacle of hatchling rushing out to the sea. A short film on turtles and natural beauty of Konkan were the main features. These are the additional features of the festival. At the same time, they also gave importance that the hatchling should not get harmed due to any tourist activities. And the tourist accommodation was the homes of the villagers, and in this way the novel concept of homestay was started. Now we are going to learn the next part. A Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. Then in each village they started a Turtle Friends Club. In each village they started a Turtle Friends Club, and the villagers who offer the tourist homestay were the members of that club. All villagers would now offer the same rate for homestay, and now all villagers offer same rate for the homestay. They fixed a rate for the homestay. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the turtle protection fund. And when the villagers get the payment of the homestay by the tourist, they gave 10% income to the turtles protection fund out of their money. The fund would be utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles, and the fund given by the villagers is utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of the turtles. Modern technology also helped, and in this project, in this concept, modern technology also helped them. The festival reached all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. And this festival means Turtle Festival or Kaso Mahotsav. This festival reached every corner of the world. How is it possible? It is possible only due to the use of the internet. The website of the Turtle Festival, and with the use of internet they spread this novel concept to every corner of the world. People around the world began to contact the small villages of Konkan, and people of different places, and after seeing the Kaso Mahotsav or Turtle Festival, people of different places started to contact with the small villagers, and these small villages belongs to Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. And when this concept homestay became an important part of the conservation and protection of the turtle, this became the important part of the tourist. This became the main attraction of the tourist. Then more and more villagers came forward to be the member of the homestay, and in this way the number of homestay went up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit Veras in the turtle season, and 800 people, near about 800 people visit Veras in the turtle season. This meant more business for the villagers, and this opportunity gave more business to the villagers. Means when the people visit Veras, they stayed, they accommodate at the homestay, means in the houses of the villagers. Now they realize that tourism can be a source of income, and in this way the villagers came to know that tourism is the source of income for them. It is a good opportunity to increase their business or to increase their tourism. Tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. Tourists bring money. When the tourists came to visit Veras, they gave money to the villagers for the accommodation, and in this way they earn money. The tourists bring money, and to in order to earn that money, means in order to get that money from the tourist, or in order to visit the tourist to Veras, to Konkan, it is important that the hatchling should be saved. It is important to protect the turtle hatchling. The villagers came to know that it is important to protect the hatchlings, and through the protection of the hatchling, the tourist will come, and when the tourist will come, they earn their livelihood. This was conservation of nature through livelihood in the true sense, and in this way it is a new concept, conservation of nature through livelihood. Means this is the way that they are conserving, they are giving protection to the turtles, they are protecting the nature, and they are also earning their livelihood. Veras became the project's main success story, and the village Veras became the project's main success story. Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, our organization, believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. And Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, the organization of the writer, they believed that it is only the native people who will protect, who will give protection to the species, to the local species. It is only possible for the local people or the native people to protect, to conserve the local species. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects became sustainable. And if the local people are given the freedom to do that, to protect or to conserve the local species, the conservation project became successful. With the belief, we entrusted the project to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villages and their turtle friends club. And with this belief, considering this belief, writer and his organization entrusted the project to the forest department, to the Gram Panchayat, to the villagers and to the Turtle Friends Club. All of them are holding it wonderfully, and now all of them, means the forest department, the villagers, the Gram Panchayat and Turtle Friends Club, all are doing their duty or handling it worthily. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. and now they are happy because the project is going, the project is running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. And they also means Nisarga Mitra, Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra organization help to the project only they need it, only it is necessary. And in this way we finish our lesson, a true story of sea turtle. Here we are going to see the next part on the digital board. And today's homework for you to complete question and answer given on page number 34. Complete in-text question given on page number 34 in your notebook.
This club was established in each village which offered homestay. They now have uniform rates, and from their income, they have to give 10% for the Turtle Protection Fund. This fund would be used to conserve the turtles. Due to internet, this festival has become so famous that people around the world have started contacting them. During the turtle season, tourism gave an additional income to the villagers. The villagers understood the importance of conservation, and they even earned livelihood through nature. Velas became the project's main success story. Finally, the NGO Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra entrusted this campaign to the Forest Department, the Gram Panchayat, the villagers, and their Turtle Friends Club. And thus, the local villagers who could provide excellent protection to the local species continued the task of conservation, and now the project is running smoothly.